I do like the experimental piece of trying something and, taking on new challenges when you don't really know all the answers or you don't have all the detail. That's what really excites me about science. My name's Belinda Grealy, chemical engineer, and I'm the area business manager for Orica. Orica supply explosives and manufacture explosives and provide blasting services to both the coals market and metals and quarries. We have sites and operations across the globe. The purpose of my role is it's a general role, so I get to actually run the New Zealand and the South East Australia business. So I've got 100 people in my team. The importance of STEM for what I do now is actually seeing information and thinking about the questions that you need to ask so that you can actually unlock what's behind data, what's behind feedback, how can you actually analyse it so that you can either see where the opportunities are or where the gaps are, or maybe where there's business outcomes that could be different, because you're constantly looking about how you can grow your business. Doing this type of role and working in these types of industries, it's such a personal growth opportunity. So I do talk to a lot of people who are at uni and they think that they have to know right down to the last bit around what they're going to do in their career. But I think what people will find is that the industry opportunities are so broad and you can move from one type of work and organisation to another. And STEM just gives you the platform. It's like the foundations of your house. So you put yourself on some good foundations with STEM subjects and STEM learning and STEM-based courses at uni. That's just a solid foundation for a whole world of change that's going to be at us around careers.